You've had your restaurant for 25 years, which
Yeah.
is more than an eternity in restaurant world, but you've also been in Akko this entire time. And I remember the moment I started cooking, everybody that I knew in Israel would talk about your restaurants.
First of all, you work with local materials. We have so many kinds of local fish. The sea bream, the gray mullet, the grouper. Beautiful fish. My cuisine does not belong to any section. I cook only things that I like to eat. I never learned cooking. I never worked in any restaurant. So I'm doing my own thing. Here have you beautiful shrimp.
Wow. Are these shrimp all from here?
Yeah, this is all local.
What kind of shrimp are those?
This is tiger. This is a blue sailor.
Blue sailor crab?
Yeah, and the blue sailor is an excellent crab.
So sweet.
Ah, unbelievable, huh?
Wow. Yeah, I've never had it. It's still moving, too.
Amberjack, rabbit fish.
Right. Little groupers?
Yes.